Hi, I'm Anne. Come with me to the supermarket. Stay till the end for the quiz. Let's go. I take a shopping trolley. I take a shopping trolley. I choose some tomatoes. I choose some tomatoes. I pick some carrots. I pick some carrots. I weigh the broccoli. I weigh the broccoli. I choose some apples. I choose some apples. I pick some bananas. I pick some bananas. I choose some oranges. I choose some oranges. I get some milk. I get some milk. I choose some eggs. I choose some eggs. I take a loaf of bread. I take a loaf of bread. I pick up a bag of rice. I pick up a bag of rice. I choose some chicken. I choose some chicken. I choose some fish. I choose some fish. I take some noodles. I take some noodles. I get some cheese. I get some cheese. I pay at the checkout. I pay at the checkout. I tap my bank card. I tap my bank card. I collect my receipt. I collect my receipt. I pack my groceries. I pack my groceries.
This is a quick quiz. Let's review what we learned. Choose the correct answer. Good luck.
I weigh the broccoli. I weigh the broccoli. I pick some bananas. I pick some bananas. I get some cheese. I get some cheese. I choose some fish. I choose some fish. I take some noodles. I take some noodles.
That's the end of the quiz. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these beginner English learning videos.